Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's unboxing is for Macy's. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it if you guys help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And if you want to see what I got for this unboxing, just keep on watching. Now, I got a really good deal on this one since at the moment this bag went to last stack, and usually that is the cheapest it is. And this bag, I believe it usually retails for $2.95, and I paid a total of $128.25. What they get? And I got another camera bag. I've been really loving the camera bags from Coach. I usually don't go for this color or any other type of colors. Usually I have neutral bags, but I've been wanting a red bag and I decided to go for the quilted camera bag. I really love the quilting of the camera bags, or any quilting on any bag. I am a big fan of. I'm glad everything is brand new. It does not look like it's been a returned or used bag. It has all the tissue paper still on it. I'm not seeing any visible scratches. Okay, so far everything looks good. And this is, I think, this is the only red bag I own. And for what I paid for, I mean, it cannot be beat. Now, if you haven't checked out my latest video, it's actually another quilted camera bag, but that's the one in black with the rivets. I'll have those linked down below. Here it is. And this one is in gold hardware, opposed to my black camera bag. That one is in gunmetal hardware. And it looks really nice. This red with the gold looks pretty nice. It has Coach on this removable strap on this hardware. You can see the Coach, and of course it's removable. Has Coach on here, and of course the tag. Well, here's the back, and like in my previous video, this fits tightly. Okay, there we go. It fits, no problem. And this is the iPhone 8 Plus. So this has quilting in the front, quilting at the back, and a nice smooth leather inside. And it's pretty spacious. I already used my other Coach bag, and it's really nice. Here's the dust bag. It holds a whole lot. Like I said, I got to use my other bag already. And the inside, it's also all red. It's like, it's a cotton lining, I believe. Or maybe it's not nylon, I'm not sure. Here's the waterproof, and it has one slip pocket, which it won't fit the iPhone Plus. And inside is another slip pocket on the other side, so you could fit. I have my Tory Burch wallet, and this is not a full-size wallet, it's a medium size, almost about the size of the iPhone, so that fits. It will fit some sunglasses, and I can still fit a lot more. I'm just throwing a foundation in there, lip gloss, some liquid lipsticks, a little perfume, whatever. It holds a lot, and there's still room for more. Where are my keys? There's still a lot of room for more, and I can still fit my keys in there. I have the Louis Vuitton key holder, and that'll fit in there perfectly. So this holds a lot. So far it looks, and it doesn't lose the shape of it with all that I packed in there. It looks pretty good. So if you've been looking to purchase a camera bag, now is the time to do so, as it is down to the last act, and grab it before it's gone. Once it's gone, it's gone. Now this is what the bag looks like on me. I'm only 5'2", so I decided to put the strap on the last hole, and right now it's probably a little longer. Maybe I'll put it on the second lowest hole, but this is what it looks like, and it's almost right under my butt, and it's a pretty good length, so it works out for me. And this is what it looks like just on the shoulder. Remember, it's on the last hole. This is what it looks like on crossbody, and it's still pretty good length. So I bought mine through Macy's, and I will link it down below. But if the bag sold out before I upload this, then I will try to find it somewhere else, and I will have a link down below. But so far I am enjoying this bag. The camera bags from Coach are great. So here's a comparison between the two bags that I own, the black camera bag and the red one. They both have quilting on it, except one has rivets, obviously the black one, and the red one doesn't. Now the back of the bags, they are identical. They both have the magnetic slip pocket. They both have the same quilting and everything. Honestly, Coach killed it when it comes to the camera bags. Whether you decide to pick one up like these with quilting on it, or you decide to go for their more simple pebble leather camera bags, it will not disappoint. They start off at a great price point from $250, and I believe go all the way up to $350, but they are at affordable price and amazing quality. Now here you can see the difference between the gunmetal hardware and the gold hardware. It has a nice weight to it, and I love how it's also, the Coach is engraved on the little loop right here. If you could see that, it says Coach. The little details like that is what counts. And that's all pretty much for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it if you join my channel and watch my videos. It would mean a lot to have your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.